Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So how can you fix that? First of all, open the Facebook application inside your mobile phone, and once you open the Facebook application, just go to your profile, scroll down and go inside the settings and privacy, and just open the first one, which is settings. And once you open the settings, so just scroll down, and inside the preference section, like this is the section preference, and inside the preference you will see an option called tab bar, which is the fifth one in my case. So just click on tab bar, and once you open the tab bar, just click on the first option, which is customize the bar. And once you click on customize the bar, so you will see tab bar, and at the last, as you can see, like my Facebook Marketplace is currently hidden. So make sure that if it is hidden in your case, just click on hidden and click on at least auto, or if you want to pin it, just click on pin. And once you click on auto, so that will be removed, but if you want to pin it, just click on pin and that will be pinned at the top. So once you do that, you can restart your Facebook account just to clear, and after that, as you can see, like I'm able to see my marketplace option inside my Facebook. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that issue.